Welcome to my channel. Techno Gadget. Body Rider elliptical machine and stationary bike is offered in a wide variety with unique features, benefits, and prices. These products were invented to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Body Rider elliptical machine and stationary bike with seat and easy computer, dual trainer 2-in-1 cardio exercise machine. Home gym, workout equipment BRD 2000, 2-in-1 trainer. Unlike ordinary exercise bikes, ours has dual exercise modes, which save space in your home gym or home office while maximizing routine. Our foam bike seat provides the option of full body seated fitness, hassle-free transitions, easily stand, sit and adjust resistance to customize your cardio HIIT workout session and home workout experience. Adjustable home workout equipment. The seat adjusts both vertically and horizontally for up to 7 different user heights, while the full-body handlebars offer 3 height options for a versatile and convenient total gym experience. Safety features includes an adjustable cushion, 4 integrated handlebars and covered fan flywheel to prevent injury. The front and rear stabilizers give the user side-to-side safety and stability. The fan resistance provides a smooth glide while the tension adjusts easily with a manual turn knob. Elliptical trainers provide an effective form of cardiovascular exercise and help boost the metabolism, tone muscle, and improve heart health. The back and forth striding motion is also easier on the joints than a traditional treadmill. The Stamina Elliptical Trainer 708 is the all-in-one answer for a home.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to fund the product links.